Today, let's work on problems on probability. Okay. Here we consider a question of three events, that is given P of A equal to P of B equal to P of C equal to 0.4. P of AB equal to P of AC equal to P of BC equal to 0.2. P of ABC equal to 0.1. Find the probabilities of occurrence of at least one of the events, exactly two of the events, and exactly one of the events. Okay. So that for the solution we are given, what are the given probabilities? Given P of A equal to P of B equal to P of C equal to 0.4. P of AB equal to P of AC equal to P of BC equal to 0.2. and P of ABC equal to 0.1. Now we have to express these events in terms of the probabilities. Okay, that is, first case is probability of at least one of the events, which is written as, that is, which is expressed as for the three events A, B and C, at least one of the events is given by the expression P of A union B union C. Okay, P of A union B union C. So the formula, the addition theorem, the result for the addition theorem for three events, what is it? P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of AB minus P of AC minus P of BC, okay, plus P of ABC plus P of ABC. Addition theorem for three events. Probability of P of A union B union C. So equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of AB minus P of BC minus P of AC plus P of ABC. So P of A equal to P of B equal to P of C, each equal to 0.4, that is 0.4. Let us write 0.4 plus 0.4 plus 0.4 minus 0.2 minus 0.2 minus 0.2 plus 0.1. Okay, directly applying the formula. So what happens? 0.4 cancels 0.2, that is 0.4 plus 0.2 plus 0.1, it is 0.7. Okay, probability of at least one of the events is given by 0.7. So that the next is probability exactly two of the events, exactly two of the three events, that is exactly two can be written as probability of exactly two of the events. Exactly two events happen, that is can be written as, this becomes that is of the three two happens. Okay, so P of A intersection B intersection C bar. Okay, P of A intersection B intersection C bar plus P of what is the next, A B bar C plus P of A bar B C, isn't it? Exactly two of the three means that two happens and the other one not happens, that is P of A B C bar plus P of A B bar C plus P of A bar C. Now in this figure, that is A B C three events, A B C bar, this is the set A B C bar. So it can be obtained as P of AB, this is the set AB, minus P of ABC, isn't it? This subset is ABC bar, which can be obtained as P of AB minus P of ABC. P of AB minus P of ABC. It is P of ABC bar. So what is the next? P of AB bar C. What is the set? P of AB bar C. This is the set P of AB bar C. So that this can be obtained as P of AC. Okay. This is AC minus P of ABC. So P of AC minus P of ABC. Okay. Plus, what is the next? P of A bar BC. Okay, P of A bar BC. This is the subset A bar BC. So, it can be written as P of BC minus P of ABC. Okay, plus P of BC minus P of ABC. Minus P of ABC. That is, this can be obtained as P of AB, P of AB plus P of AC plus P of BC. P of AB plus P of AC plus P of BC minus 3P of ABC. Minus 3P of ABC, and all the three are equal, so that this can be written as 3 into 0.2 minus 3 into 0.1, isn't it? So that 0.6 minus 0.3 equal to the answer is 0.3, which is the probability of exactly two of the events. So by simple formula we can obtain these probabilities. Only we need to express the event exactly two in terms of the three events. Okay, and this using this picture, using this figure, we can obtain directly these probabilities. Now we want to obtain probability of exactly one of the events. Probability of exactly one of the events. Exactly one of the events. That is how we can express this event. Okay, that is only one happens, so other two not happens. Okay, that is P of A B bar C bar plus P of A bar B C bar. Okay, plus P of A bar B bar C. P of A bar B bar C. Okay, P of A, only one happening. Okay, P of A B bar C bar plus P of A bar B C bar plus P of A bar B bar C. Now using this figure, this is the subset A B bar C bar. So how it is obtained? A B bar C bar can be obtained as, okay, this from this whole, that is P of A minus P of A B C bar minus P of A B C minus P of A B bar C. Okay, so we express this as P of A B C bar as P of A minus P of A B C bar minus P of A B bar C minus P of A B C, isn't it? P of A minus P of, this is to be obtained, so that P of A minus P of A B C bar minus P of A B bar C minus P of A B C, plus similarly the other one, P of A bar B C bar. Which set is A bar B C bar? A bar B C bar. What is the set? A bar B C bar. This is the set A bar B C bar. Okay, A bar B C bar. Yes, A not included, C not included, but B is included. Okay, so that this becomes, what is it? The whole P of B. minus similar one P of B minus P of A B C bar P of A B C bar പിന്നെയോ P of minus P of A bar B C minus P of A B C minus P of A B C plus what is the next P of A bar B bar C. So this is P of C minus P of C minus what is it? P of C minus this is the set P of C minus P of A bar B C P of A bar B C minus P of A B bar C minus P of A B bar C minus P of A B C. Okay, minus P of A B C. So this happens, that is this is equal to, we have to combine similar terms, that is we have P of A plus P of B plus P of C, that is equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C. Okay, and here P of A B C bar P of A B C bar. So minus 2 P of A B C bar minus 2 P of A B C bar, then minus 2 here P of A B bar C and here P of A B bar C, that is minus 2 P of A B bar C minus here again P of, what about P of what is the next P of A bar B C. Okay, minus 2 P of A bar B C, then what is the next minus 2 P of A bar B C minus 3 P of A B C. Yes, right, minus 3 P of A B C. Okay, so we can obtain these probabilities. We have to write P of A B C bar. This is the set P of A B C bar. Already we have expressed it as, let me write P of A plus P of B plus P of C. Okay, minus 2 into, this is expressed as P of A B minus P of A B C. Okay, this can be written as P of A B minus P of A B C. Similarly, minus 2 into, what is P of A bar B C? This is the set P of A bar B C. So can be written as P of B C minus P of A B C. Okay, minus 2 into, now we have to obtain, what is it? Minus 2 into P of A bar B C. What is this set? A bar B C. A bar B C is the set, this is the set A bar B C, which can be written as, I have expressed a let me check P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus 2 P of A B C bar minus 2 P of A B bar C minus 2 P of A bar B C minus 3 P of A B C. Yes, right. This minus 2 into P of A B minus P of A B C minus 2 into, this is P of A B bar C, which can be written as minus 2 into P of AC A B bar C. What is the set A B bar C? This is the set A B bar C. So it is P of AC minus P of ABC. Yes, right. Minus 2 P of A bar BC. So this is the set P of A bar BC, which can be written as minus 2 into P of BC minus P of ABC minus this 3 P of ABC. Okay. Now one more simplification step is needed, so that this can be written as P of A plus P of B plus P of C. That is, we can write this as 3 into 0.4. Okay. that is 3. Let us write it as 3 into P of E minus 2P of EB minus 2P of AC minus 2P of BC all are equal. Okay, so that minus 2 into 3, that is 6 into P of AB, as P of AB equal to P of BC equal to P of AC. Okay, now we have minus 2P of ABC here, minus 2P of ABC here, plus 2P of ABC plus 2P of ABC plus 2P of ABC, that is minus 6P of ABC minus 3P of ABC, that is plus 3P of ABC. All these terms are written in this using those ones. Okay, that is we have 3 into P of A minus 6 into P of AB plus 3 into P of ABC is right. So that we obtain this as, that is 3 into 0.4 minus 6 into 0.2 plus 3 into 0.1, that is 1.2 minus 1.2 plus 0.3, that is equal to 0.3 is the answer. Okay, 0.3 is the answer. So that we have obtained all these probabilities. Okay, now let us move on to the next problem. Here also we are given 3 events and the question is, if A, B and C are mutually independent, okay, independent events, show that A union B and C are independent. Show that A union B and C are independent. That is given A, B, C are mutually independent events. Given A, the 3 events A, B, C are mutually independent. And we have to prove, what is the next? We have to prove, show that A union B and C are independent. That is required to prove. Yes, let us write these conditions. Firstly, we write these conditions. A, B and C are mutually independent implies, what does the 4 conditions can be written as P of AB equal to P of A into P of B, P of BC equal to P of B into P of C, P of AC equal to P of A into P of C, and P of EBC equal to P of A into P of B into P of C. Okay, the 4 conditions, by the definition of mutual independence, we will obtain the 4 conditions. Now we are required to prove P of A union B and C. That is P of required to prove P of A union B intersection C equal to, let me write here, P of A union B intersection C equal to P of A union B into P of C. It is the required one. In order to prove A union B and C independent, we have to prove P of A union B intersection C equal to P of A union B into P of C. Okay. Now we start with P of A union B intersection C. P of A union B intersection C can be written as intersection C equal to P of A, what is it? P of, by the distributive law it becomes P of AC union BC. So we can apply the addition theorem for 2 events, so that this becomes P of AZ plus P of BC minus P of, now AC intersection BC is P of EBC. Okay, P of AC plus P of BC minus P of ABC. Now, as the events are mutually independent, we can use this relations. Okay, that is P of AC can be written as P of A into P of C plus P of BC can be written as P of B into P of C minus P of ABC can be written as P of A into P of B into P of C. Okay. Now from P of Z can be taken out as a whole. That is P of Z into P of A plus P of B minus P of A into P of B can be written as P of A into P of B or P of AB. Okay. Let us write it as P of AB. So that this becomes P of C into P of A union B. P of C into P of A union B. So this is obtained. Okay. That is the events. That is the events A union B and C are independent. Are independent if A, B, C are mutually independent. If A, B, C are mutually independent. Okay. I hope you follow me. Only we have to use these relations as we are given A, B, C are mutually independent. Now we require to prove P of A union B intersection C equal to P of A union B into P of C. Okay. Thank you very much.